Hedging the arrival price. In this example, the parent order is to buy 1 million shares over the course of the trading day. The two concepts that we want to focus on is that for buy orders, the arrival price of the parent order must always be below the VWAP forecast. And for sell orders, the arrival price of the parent order must always be above the VWAP forecast. The following example hopefully will solidify our understanding of these two concepts. Here we see the data set through the early trading period. We see the lower end of the VWAP forecast at 29.87. We see the market price trading below that at 29.80. This is our first entry level for the child buy orders at 29.80, leading us to an initial arrival price of 29.80. The market continues to sell off, and the VWAP forecast is adjusted downward to 29.82. The market price is trading at 29.70. This is the entry point for our second child order, leading us to a net arrival price of the parent order of 29.75. Still well below the VWAP forecast of 29.82. So through midday, this trade is looking good. We're 7 ticks below the VWAP forecast. As we continue to see the market price trading lower, we see the downward adjustment in the VWAP forecast to 29.75. This is equal to our arrival price of the parent order at 29.75. It's at these levels that we need to begin to mitigate the downside risk when the arrival price is equal to the VWAP forecast. The bearish trend continues, and the threat is that the arrival price will continue to be above the VWAP forecast as the VWAP forecast is adjusted lower. To mitigate this downside risk, we look to sell child orders. This is the net effect of lowering the arrival price. In this example, we get short at 29.68 and we sell child orders at 29.60. This lowers the net arrival price to 29.65, below the VWAP forecast of 29.75. An aggressive strategy at this point is to overweight the short position if the bearish trend is expected to continue, in an attempt to capture further alpha. We see the overweight short position between 29.68 and 29.60. We see the VWAP forecast at 29.69. We cover, going into the close, we cover our short position at 29.40, and we satisfy the parent VWAP order at 29.40 as well. This lowers our net arrival price to 29.61, below the final VWAP forecast of 29.69. It's this constant readjusting and constant hedging of the parent order arrival price to stay below the VWAP forecast for buy orders and above the VWAP forecast for sell orders. Thank you.